Top 20 Cloud Computing Skills to Boost Your Career in 2023 and Beyond. Cloud computing has been a rapidly growing field in recent years, and it is expected to continue to grow in the coming years. According to a study by IBM, the global cloud computing market is projected to reach $623 billion by 2023. With this growth comes a high demand for professionals with cloud computing skills. In this blog post, we will discuss the top 20 cloud computing skills that will boost your career in 2023 and beyond. Hit the like, share and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Cloud architecture, understanding how to design, plan, and implement cloud solutions is essential for any cloud professional. This includes knowledge of different cloud services, deployment models, and best practices. Cloud security, as more and more companies move their data and applications to the cloud, security becomes a top priority. Knowledge of cloud security best practices, encryption, and compliance is highly sought after. Cloud migration, as companies move their data and applications to the cloud, they need professionals who can help them with the migration process. This includes planning, execution, and testing of the migration. Cloud automation, automating tasks in the cloud can save time and money. Knowledge of cloud automation tools such as Ansible, Puppet, and Terraform is highly valued. Cloud storage, understanding how to store and manage data in the cloud is crucial for any cloud professional. This includes knowledge of different storage services and technologies such as S3, Glacier, and EBS. Cloud networking, networking is essential for any cloud solution. Knowledge of cloud networking concepts such as VPCs, VPNs, and Direct Connect is highly sought after. Cloud monitoring and management, monitoring and managing cloud environments is essential for keeping them running smoothly. Knowledge of cloud management and monitoring tools such as CloudWatch and CloudTrail is highly valued. Cloud cost optimization, as companies move to the cloud, they need to optimize their costs. Knowledge of cost optimization strategies and tools such as reserved instances and auto-scaling is highly sought after. Cloud databases, understanding how to manage and work with databases in the cloud is crucial for any cloud professional. This includes knowledge of different database services such as RDS, DynamoDB, and Redshift. Cloud developer tools, as more and more companies move to the cloud, they need developers who can work with cloud-based tools and services. Knowledge of cloud developer tools such as AWS Lambda, Azure Functions, and Google Cloud Functions is highly valued. Cloud identity and access management, IAM, understanding how to manage user access and permissions in the cloud is crucial for any cloud professional. Knowledge of IAM concepts and tools such as IAM roles and policies is highly sought after. Cloud governance, as companies move to the cloud, they need to ensure compliance and governance. Knowledge of cloud governance best practices and tools such as AWS organizations and Azure policy is highly valued. Cloud backup and disaster recovery, backing up and recovering data in the cloud is essential for any cloud professional. Knowledge of cloud backup and disaster recovery concepts and tools such as AWS backup and Azure site recovery is highly sought after. Cloud analytics and big data, as companies move to the cloud, they need professionals who can work with big data and analytics. Knowledge of cloud analytics and big data services such as AWS Redshift, Azure Synapse Analytics, and Google BigQuery is highly valued. Cloud DevOps, as companies move to the cloud, they need professionals who can implement DevOps practices in the cloud. Knowledge of cloud DevOps concepts and tools such as AWS Code Pipeline and Azure DevOps is highly sought after. Cloud integration, integrating different cloud services and technologies is essential for any cloud professional. Knowledge of cloud integration tools such as AWS Glue and Azure Data Factory is highly valued. Cloud containers, containers have become increasingly popular in cloud environments. Knowledge of container orchestration tools such as Kubernetes and Docker is highly sought after. Cloud artificial intelligence and machine learning, as more and more companies are incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning into their solutions, knowledge of cloud AI/ML services such as AWS SageMaker and Azure Machine Learning is highly valued. Cloud blockchain, blockchain technology is increasingly being used in cloud environments. Knowledge of cloud blockchain services such as AWS Quantum Ledger Database and Azure Blockchain Service is highly sought after. Cloud vendor certifications, vendor certifications such as AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Azure Administrator, and Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud Architect are highly valued and demonstrate a level of expertise in a specific cloud platform. Having a strong understanding of these cloud computing skills will not only boost your career in 2023 but also in the long run, as cloud computing continues to be a key technology for organizations across industries. Additionally, it is important to stay current with new developments and trends in cloud computing, and to continually expand your skill set to remain competitive in the job market. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.